Hello, welcome guys. I'm Sion and I'm from Nambi. So what do you know about the two materials of waist trainer? Do you know we have two types? Last time I showed you the latex waist trainer and today we're going to see the neoprene waist trainer. So do you know the difference between those two? Well, don't worry, today I'm going to show you what's the difference. Last time I showed you the latex waist trainer. It was made of three materials. This was the one I showed you last time. It's latex made of three materials. The outer one is 96% nylon, 4% spandex. The inside is 100% natural latex, and the inside, this lining, is 96% cotton and 4% spandex. So, the neoprene, let me show you. This is neoprene material. It's so light. It's made of two materials. It's 80% neoprene and 20% nylon. So that's why it's not as heavy as the latex one. This one is more lighter. Today, we're going to see the three types of neoprene waist trainers. The first one will be the classic neoprene waist trainer. And then we're going to see the single belt neoprene waist trainer. And then we'll see the double belt neoprene waist trainer. So let's start with the first one. This is the classic neoprene waist trainer. It's almost the same as it looks almost the same as the latex one, but when you touch it, you can feel that the neoprene is lighter because the neoprene material is made of 80% neoprene and 20% nylon. The latex is much heavier, but this one is so light. This one is made of the zipper. The zipper, you can see, it says YKK. You can Google it even. YKK is the most expensive and the most strongest zipper worldwide. We import it from Japan. So you can ask with the zipper one if you want, or if you want hooks. This is the latex, but we still have the same types of hooks for the neoprene as well. We also have hooks. Mostly the common one is 3 rows of hook. If you want more, if you want less, it's okay. You can ask. We can make it custom for you guys. So our hooks too. Let me tell you the difference. You see our hooks here? They have double stitches. You can see here, double stitch, and it's large. So it means it's stronger and it's going to be durable. It's not gonna break or bend. So Nambit is unique because we have double stitches, not just one stitch. Also, you can see here, the neoprene. It has 9 steel bones. You see, 9 steel bones all around. So we have 9 flexible steel bones. And these steel bones are used to support your backside if you have backache. And also, it helps for the waist trainer to stay on you. It's not gonna roll off or slide up or down. It's going to put it on place and it's going to support you even. And also we have many different types of color. You can see at the back here, we have many designs, many colors. Even here, you can see. These are the ones I found but there are even more colors. You can ask for custom design as well. So for all our waist trainers, we have logo printing available. We use the heat transformated for logo printing. For the classic waist trainer, we can print the logo prints here for you guys on this side. So the heat transformated is the most efficient method because it's not gonna come off or wear off or wash the waist trainer. It's gonna last for a long time. So that's the most usually recommended method for logo printing. But also there's another method called the silk stitching. But this method, it's used by hand and it's a stitching, so it might be a bit expensive, and we have an MOQ for that type. And for private labels and private tags, like private labels and private tags, there is one price for 1,000 pieces. So once you order, you can use it for the next order as well. Let's see the single belt neoprene waist trainer. This is a single belt neoprene waist trainer. It's also the same. It's made of 80% neoprene and 20% nylon. As you can see, it has a belt. This is what makes it unique. And this belt will help you get that snatch look more, because it's going to hold you in tighter, the belt. The belt is also made with Velcro, and as you can see, more than halfway. The Velcro is more than half. It's almost 3/4 of the belt. So even when you start to lose weight, the waist size, you can still use it, because if you wear this and then you can make it more tighter and use it for maybe 2-3 more weeks, even after you lose the waist size. So also we have different sizes for everyone. Our sizes range from 3 extra small to 6 extra large, so it can all of you people. And also we can use this logo printing, the heat transfer method. If it has a belt, we can print it for you on the belt. If you want it on the sides as well, but mostly if it's a belt, usually print it on the belt, okay? Okay, so this is the single belt. We also have the double belt. I'm showing you different colors. I'm just showing you example of the colors we have, but it's the same waist trainer like this one. The difference is this is double belt. As you can see, it has 2 belts. So this double belt will help you if you have more fats, like upper belly and lower belly. Then it's going to be easy to cover it for you guys. So even for single and also for the double belt, we have 9 steel bones, the flexible ones. You can see here. You see these lines? These are where the steel bones are. It's stitched by hand, so it's not gonna come off or break, and it's going to support you, so you can use it for a long time. It's not just gonna break off or come out, okay? So this also has the same zipper I told you before. It is the Ykk Zipper, and the Ykk Zipper we imported from Japan, and it's the most expensive and strongest zipper worldwide. So you can even Google it if you want to be sure. So we provide you a very high quality product, I'm telling you. So the single belt, the double belt, I'm just showing you the one with the zipper, but we also have the one with the hook, okay? If you want hooks, it's okay, we also have them, see? We usually have 3 rows of hooks, but that's not just what we provide. If you want more, if you want less, we can provide you custom as well. And our hooks, look, these hooks are bigger and it has double stitches. So it's not just one stitch. So if it's double, then it means it's more durable. It's not gonna break or bend. So you can use it for a long time. So that's the difference between the hooks and the zippers. And let me tell you the benefit of the neoprene waist trainer. So all the neoprene waist trainer are used to make you sweat. Neoprene material, you can Google it. Neoprene material is used for sweating because it removes the heat from your body. So even if you wear it, maybe just for 5 minutes, you're going to sweat. Just moving around or standing up, you're going to sweat. So neoprene materials, this waist trainers will help you sweat the fat around your belly. And also it supports your back. I told you we have steel bones, and the steel bones are used to support your back. So you're not going to be slouching, you're going to sit straight. So it helps for those as well. And it's a waist trainer, so when you wear it, it's still going to get you that hourglass figure you want. you're going to get molded and get that hourglass figure also. If you want to lose weight, when you wear a waist trainer, it's going to suppress your appetite. So if your appetite is suppressed, you're not gonna eat as much as you did if you're not wearing the waist trainer. So you're going to lose weight. Okay, now let me tell you the difference between the latex material and the neoprene material. The latex material, I told you, is thick and heavy. It has 3 layers. So yeah, of course it's going to be heavier. You're going to feel it. But the neoprene is light. It's a waist trainer, it's light. It has 2 materials, the neoprene and the nylon. So it's not gonna be as hard or as heavy as the latex one. So if you prefer just a lighter one, you can order the neoprene. And the neoprene is usually recommended for cold places, winter places usually, because when you're in a cold place, the frigid air doesn't even make you sweat. You might go around, but you feel cold, so you're not gonna sweat. So if you wear the neoprene, I'm telling you, you're going to sweat a river, because just wearing it and moving around your house like for a few minutes will guarantee you're going to have some sweats. So if you want to sweat more, it's the neoprene. And usually people wear the neoprene for gym or working out because you sweat, obviously. But the latex one, it does make you sweat. It's latex, so it's gonna make you sweat. But the latex, I told you, is heavier. It's thick, so it's usually not gonna be easy to bend or to make you feel free when you work out. So people usually want the neoprene one because neoprene is, I told you, so light and it's more convenient. The latex is usually it's for molding. The neoprene is usually for sweating a lot, okay? And the latex material, usually we have a lot of designs for the latex materials as well. And it's easier to print a printing on the latex. We can also print on the neoprene one, but usually it's easier on the latex. We have many designs. You see in the back, are they not pretty? Yeah, we have those usually on the latex. We do have for neoprene as well. You can see. Usually it's mostly colors like this, bright colors, any colors actually, whichever you want. So that's mostly the difference between one more difference. The difference between the neoprene is the neoprene material, you use it, right? Maybe after a while, you start to lose the waist size. But the neoprene, once it straightens, it cannot come back to the original size or to what it was before. It's going to stay stretched. But the latex one, it's more strong and it's going to last you for a long time. So that's mostly the difference between the neoprene and the latex material, alright? So today we saw the difference between neoprene and latex. I hope you got some information. If you have any questions or things you want me to tell you guys, just leave us a message. And next time, I'm sure I'm going to include on our next live stream.